you love rice? I love rice. I've got a great rice recipe for you today. I'm also going to show you my 5 go-to store-bought sauces, so stick around. Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm a plant-based RN and I follow a whole food plant-based diet. On my channel, you're going to find quick and easy, basic recipes that anyone can do. So if that sounds good to you, please subscribe and be sure to follow me on Instagram for more plant-based content. And also please check out the links below for all the resources that I offer. So today I'm going to show you a quick, easy rice recipe. Some people call it yellow rice, some people call it curry rice. So I'm going to make it today with my curry bouillon. If you don't have the curry bouillon, you can just use curry powder. It's the same thing. So let's get started. I'm going to be using my rice cooker for this, but you can absolutely do this on the stove. So I've got 1 cup of rice. This is just some jasmine rice. I've got a couple tablespoons of onion, and you want to make sure they're nice and small. And then I'm going to be using my yellow curry bouillon, and I'm doing no spend January, so I don't have any curry powder right now, so I'm going to be using these bouillon. I had them in the house, so I'm going to be using them. You don't have to use this, but if you don't have these, then you can use curry powder. And they just come in these cute little cubes, and I just break it up a little bit, and it will all dissolve in the rice. And then I've got a couple cups of water. Give that a good stir. You can add salt if you want. I'm not going to. The bouillon has salt in it, so that's going to be good enough for me. I'm just going to let the rice cooker do its job, and then I'm going to show you my 5 favorite go-to sauces that are store-bought. The first one we all have, ketchup. Who does not love ketchup? Great for our air fryer fries. I mean, I put it on baked potatoes. I dip my tofu in it. I mean, I use it for anything. It is definitely a staple in this house. Next up, you all know and love it, the Trader Joe's sweet chili sauce. Any sweet chili sauce will do. I just particularly like this one. First of all, it's like under $2, so bonus. But it's just perfect for tofu, for your veggies, for your rice. I mean, I've even put it on potatoes. It's really good. Next up is this Japanese barbecue sauce, and they have a gluten-free version, which I love. And again, this is great in your stir fries, on your veggies, on your rice. I mean, and again, I've used these on potatoes. So these sauces can be used on anything. So I highly recommend this one. And then of course my coconut AMINOS, I use this all the time in stir fries, on rice, on veggies. It's a great sauce. It's like soy sauce, but it's sweeter and it's lower in sodium. So I really like this one. And again, you can get any brand you want, but I like Trader Joe's because it's really inexpensive. They have really good prices. So I always stock up on this. And then last but not least, A1. Yes, A1 is vegan, and this is delicious on a baked potato. It's delicious to dip your tofu in. Veggies, again, I use it on everything, so it just depends on what you're in the mood for. So I recommend these 5 sauces. Have them in your house, and whatever mood strikes you, you got it covered. I have more, but these are the top 5. All right, we'll wait for the rice to get done, and then we will give it a taste. Here we go, finished product. Look at the color. Oh, so beautiful. And it tastes just as yummy as it looks. Mmm. So good. I topped it with a little green onion. Delicious. This is a perfect side dish for your non-starchy vegetables. So good. Of course, you can add a little bit of protein, chickpeas or some tofu. Have a nice balanced plate. So the color is just gorgeous. And I hope you liked my choices of sauces. They're really easy. Sauces is what takes your recipes to the next level. I mean, something as simple as broccoli and a baked potato comes alive when you put one of those sauces on it. And they're, you know, low fat, they're perfect for the starch solution, and they just really keep you from getting bored. You can change up your sauces. There are lots of others out there in the supermarket. Just make sure you read the ingredients and make sure that they are very low fat, that they don't have any added oil, and that they have very clean ingredients. So I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned something. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you've made it this far in the video, please comment below with yellow rice, and that way I know you made it to the end with me, and I really appreciate your support. Don't forget to check all the links below for the full recipe and all the resources I offer. And remember that all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate. Until next time, thank you. Do you... Hi, Debbie Chu here. Oh, that's not what I want to do. And I'm also going to show you my 5 go-to store-bought sauces.